Hi everyone, I'm coming on to tell you that this weekend I will have the tutorial on how to do these turquoise stone marbled looking nails. These are done in acrylic, and about a month ago I had a nails in motion video up of the same nail design, only it was done with gel polish. I will be doing a tutorial on how to do the same look with gel polish. It's very simple. After I'm done talking here, I will have a nails in motion video up. I will have the design done in gel polish and this same one here done in acrylic, videos side by side, so you can see the comparison of the nails and how much that they really look alike. It's amazing. And one is so much easier to do than the other, and that would be gel polish. So be on the lookout this weekend for the acrylic turquoise stone look nail, okay? All right, thank you for watching.